Welcome to Auto Apex, your daily destination for everything auto. From the latest luxury cars to high-performance machines, we bring you detailed reviews, updates, and price breakdowns every single day. If you're passionate about cars, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and join the Apex family. Today, we're diving into one of Lexus's most stunning creations, the 2025 Lexus LC. This car is the definition of elegance fused with thrilling performance. With its futuristic design and bold stance, the LC looks like something out of a concept show. But this is no prototype, it's a production beast that turns heads everywhere it goes. Under the hood, the 2025 Lexus LC comes in two main versions. The LC 500 features a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 engine that pumps out 471 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque. It rockets from 0 to 60 in just 4.4 seconds. The engine note alone is worth the price. It roars to life with that old-school V8 thunder, something that's getting rare these days. Then there's the LC 500H, the hybrid model. It combines a 3.5-liter V6 engine with an electric motor, producing a combined 354 horsepower. The hybrid might not be as aggressive off the line, but it delivers smooth acceleration and better fuel efficiency, especially for those who want the luxury experience with lower emissions. Inside, the LC is pure art. The cockpit is driver-focused, with a luxurious layout that includes premium leather, hand-stitched details, and beautifully crafted materials. The 2025 model features a revised 12.3-inch touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a Mark Levinson premium sound system that delivers crystal-clear audio. The driving experience is something special. The LC rides on a front-engine, rear-wheel drive layout, with a 10-speed automatic transmission that shifts quickly and smoothly. The chassis is tight, the steering is precise, and the adaptive suspension absorbs bumps while still giving you that road-connected feeling. Whether you're carving through twisty roads or gliding on the freeway, the LC delivers confidence and comfort. On the safety front, Lexus equips the LC with its full suite of safety features, including Lexus Safety System Plus 2.5. That means you get pre-collision braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, adaptive cruise control, and road sign assist. All designed to keep you safe while driving in style. Now let's talk about the price. In the United States, the starting MSRP for the 2025 Lexus LC 500 is around $99,800. The LC 500H hybrid version starts slightly higher, at approximately $102,500. Keep in mind, those are base prices. Optional packages like the Touring Package, Sport Package, or Carbon Fiber Roof can push the price well beyond $110,000 depending on how you spec it out. That might sound steep, but when you compare it to other Grand Tours like the BMW 8 Series or the Mercedes-Benz SL Class, the Lexus LC offers a unique combination of reliability, design, and performance at a very competitive price. That wraps up today's deep dive into the 2025 Lexus LC. What do you think? Would you go for the pure V8 or the smooth hybrid version? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your fellow car lovers, and subscribe to Auto Apex for daily updates on the latest rides in the USA. Catch you in the next one.